Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a Google form publicly accessible for everyone. So in here, I've already opened the Google Forms page and I'm going to show you how to create it from scratch. So I'm going to click on the blank form. So let's say that I create this Google form and I want to make it publicly accessible. So what you need to do is go to the settings options in the Google form, and in here under the responses, click on the drop down and then scroll down and make sure that this collect email address is on this do not collect option, so they don't need to sign in to be able to fill in this form. So it will be accessible to everyone even if they don't have a Gmail account or a Google account. And you need to also turn off this option. So if it's on like this, you need to turn it off until it turns to gray like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.